powers of the universe conspire to make me mine until the day I die. I realize the day that I was born for you. Salamat sa pamitron, Mampir. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of this matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know I belong here in your arms. I found years. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong if we only realize that I was born for you. It's horrible for me, and in this random world, this was really meant to be. For what we have to would never understand, or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Yun guys, hanggang dito lang guys. Ano na oh, sabi ko 3 oras lang. Naging 4. Tama na yan. 3 CPR. Dali lang yun magbura. Ampel. Sabay ganun. Salamat, Ampel. Tiri. Gising pa si Tiri. Yun, sa ano, ano na tayo, magpasalamat na tayo. Ugma, nagdagdagan na naman ng CPR. May 5 pa. Ngayon, 3. Pwede na yun. Mampel. Yun, oh. Ma'am Joy Salim, shout out. Maraming salamat. Ma'am Griselda, maraming salamat. Mampel, salot tayo. Salamat. Dong Real. Hindi rin. Yun, oh. Kay Ma'am Hinupa, maraming salamat, Ma'am Hinupa. Salamat on Tabi. Ayun, Kabulwang. Cecil Bacos. Ayun, maraming salamat. Ilimi. Sir Edgar. Ayun, thank you so much. Joyce Qatar. Maraming salamat. Uwa Channel TV. Brother Tinde Channel. Maraming salamat, Brad. Ayun. Anong oras na ba? 10:39. Wow. 10:45 na. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Yan sa mga hindi nabanggit na Maraming salamat. Ayun, hanggang sa muli. Good night everyone. Mampel, good morning Texas, and good night, good evening Pinas time. Yan. Sa mga na-stress shout out sa mga na-stress sa pag-kidnap. Pag-kidnap kay tatay. Joke. Nakidnap. Sana ma-okay na. Ayun. Huwag naman umabot sa punto na tulog na parang may hangover na, Mampel. Tigtulog namin dito 9 mga 10. Yan, tingtulog namin 10 PM. Ngayon mag-11 na. Dapat yung